So hello, how are you doing? Good? Okay, so we are going to work on multiplying and dividing fractions, but polynomial fractions. Now, you know how to multiply fractions. You multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator and reduce at the end. Or you try to reduce first and then multiply at the end. Okay, either way we get the same answer. But remember one thing, if you're multiplying fractions and you want to cancel, so for instance, let me just get an example down here. If you want to do any canceling whatsoever, then you need to make sure that you have multiplication in between to cancel. For instance, I can cancel the 3 and the 9 only because this is 9 times 3x squared. And I can cancel the 2 with the 8 only because there's a multiplication between 2 and x squared and between the 8 and the x. So if I look over here, x plus 5, that's an addition problem. If I try to turn it into a multiplication problem, I can't do much with it because it doesn't factor, because that's the only way, remember, to turn addition and subtraction problems into multiplication. The denominator is just a 7, not much to do there. This numerator is technically 14 times x, so I'm good with that. I'm going to leave it alone. And I put a little multiplication dot in between, just for visual. Now this denominator is a subtraction problem. I'd like it into a multiplication problem if I can, so that hopefully it might be able to cancel something. Can you? You can. So, you're right, you get the quantity of x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 5. And if you'd forgotten how to factor these, I have a lecture video on factoring. Go find it. Okay, talk to me. Good, I can cancel the 7. It goes into itself once and into the 14 twice. The x plus 5 goes into itself once, cancels out the denominator. So let me write what I've got left. I have 1 over 1 times 2x over x minus 5. So gratefully, this is easy to multiply. Cool? With me? Lovely. Okay, I have some examples coming your way of multiplying and dividing polynomial fractions. So work on them before you find my answer key video. Have fun. Catch you on the flip side.